What's going on, everybody? It is I, Captain Rum Panda, back again with part 2 of Rain's overview. Now, I have jumped into Rain in training mode. I have jumped into training mode with Rain, sorry, for a few hours, and I have made some assumptions that might be wrong, but overall I can tell you that Rain is a truly terrifying combo and pressure monster. Why? Because he has this, and this, and this. Okay? They have to respect it. They have to block. Okay? Now, remember the old days of where, Liu Kang can just boot you off the map and the only thing you can do is hit block? Yeah. This is what happens. Okay? And also, he has the safety of Rain. Okay? This is what happens when you mix these two together. Okay? Now, let me just hold block everything. This. Oh, wait. Hang on. Now, where's the frame data? Ah, there we go. Both. Alright. This is safe. This is safe. Okay, because of the range. And this is safe. Everything that Rain do is safe. Well, most of everything that Rain do is safe. And he has the range. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Okay? Liu Kang has to be close. He doesn't. He can just sit here and just wave you, wave you, wave you, wave you. Okay? And if he thinks that you're going to attack, he can just wait for you to whiff and then just oh wait, that's the other move. And then just grab you like this and then get a crushing blow. Now, for the combo portion, Rain is a very, very flashy but extremely hard to play character. Oh, hang on. That is pretty good damage, but it's not worth it for 2 bars, okay? Now, if only 1 bar... Oop. Hang on. Yep. Hang on. I got this, okay? I got this. Alright, fine. There. For 1 bar, it only did like 200 damage. For 2 bar. Oh, and just a quick thought. This back one, this is your best combo extender. Okay? Because it leaves the opponent pretty close to you. Alright, now for this part, this move right here is pretty hard to hit. Okay? Because, I'm not that good at the game, okay? So, I found another move. This, okay? It also leaves the enemy close to you. So you can do something like... There. And you can do this, and you can keep going on your pressure, and just wait for him to whiff, and then go in. Or you can wait for him to whiff, and then... Oh, what? Yeah, but there is a big problem with Rain, though. He doesn't really have any overheads aside from this and this. It's short hop. But he has a lot of lows. Okay? So the only way to open people up with Rain is either you do a lot of short hops or a lot of grab, or just like Liu Kang, you just pressure the fuck out of it. Okay, do some grab, this, and then do this, and then give you uppercut, like that. Okay. Yeah, like that. Or there. Or if you want to take him to the corner, you can do up. Missed it. Missed it again. There. Now your pressure is truly amazing. What can you do? What can you do? He gonna jump? He gonna jump? If you jump, you get an uppercut. You got an amazing uppercut. Okay? And if you jump, you can do this. Okay? That is a really good anti-air. Okay? You see? This combo is easy to drop. So do this, and whoop. There. Now it's a little bit less than the this combo, but it's way more easier to hit. Yeah. But the animation, though, I do like the animation. Okay. Boom. And then if the enemy thinks that you're gonna go for another low, just for an overhead or a grab. Not enough. Yeah. Oh yeah, and by the way, this kick is damn far. Look at that. Okay, if he whiffs, boom. There. He can just play with you. Okay, just spam this. And if you try to do anything unsafe, just boom. Or he can do this. And then get a crushing blow. Because if I remember, this move, hang on, I think it's this move. Ah, there we go. This move has a crushing blow on counter or punish. So yeah, if you whiff, boom. Okay? If you whiff, combo city. And if he really wants to kill you, wait, hang on. I'll put on easy crushing blow for you. Where is it? Easy crushing blow. Damn. Okay, if you whiff. Whoop. Yep. If you whiff, combo city. Okay, if you don't whiff, block city. Okay? Look at that. Okay, he can just okay. You can try to jump, uppercut, or even worse, you can do this. Whoop. Yeah, this move. This is really good anti-air. Boom! Oh, wait. My mistake. So yeah, that's Rain. Now, I forgot to let you see his fatal blow. Now, Rain's fatal blow is actually very fancy. Now, let's see here. Where is the fatal blow? Oh, wait. I can just put this to 1%. There we go. Look at that. And here's the most dangerous part. You can do it in your combos. Oh, wait, no. Hang on. I got this. Hang on. Wait, let's try this again. Let's try this one more time. I knew I've done this. Oh, almost. Oh, you can't? I remember I've done it before. Wait. Hang on. Oh, okay. So that must be a glitch or a lag or something, okay? Wait, can you do it like this? There we go! Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so you do it like this. Look, hang on. Oh. So if he whiffs, okay, and you get a crushing blow, you can just immediately look at that. Oh, that is so sick. Look at the damage on that thing. Alright then. Now, time to take Rain for a test drive.
Rain.
Scorpion. Firebender versus Waterbender.
Wuxi Dragon Brother.
Water Ball, Tidal Wave, Death Spear combo, and Burning Spear. Alright.
How have I earned your ire, Scorpion?
For conspiring with Sector against me.
Someone should not have been talking.
Round one. Fight!
Okay. And uppercut. Oh. Oh, that doesn't work. Yeah. Grab. Alright, let's try to do a combo.
Round 2. Fight.
Grab. Grab. Again. Uppercut. Grab again. Come here. God damn it. Damn, that range. All right, let's see his fatality. Ooh. Whoa. Yeah.
Fatality.
Oh, damn.
Rain wins.
All right, let's try another one. Power washer. All right, that's a cool fatality. All right, let's try to do a combo this time.
Round 1. Fight.
Grab. God damn it. Come here. Ooh. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, that's gotta hurt.
Round 2. Fight.
Grab. Oop. Come here. Grab again. Ouch. No. Whoop. Short hop. Come on. Ooh. Come on, I'm trying to do a combo here. Okay, okay.
Final round. Fight.
Way. Oh man, I didn't have the meter. No. Ouch.
Finish him.
Oh, that hurt. Now for the next for the next fatality. Oh wait, this is the same one. Okay, hang on. We'll do the other one.
Fatality. Rain wins. Fatality. Rain wins. Flawless victory.
Okay, now some final thoughts. Rain is definitely a very good character if you like, you know, pressure and combos. Because if you whiff, combo city. If you don't whiff, you're going to be holding block a lot. And if you jump, he has a very good uppercut. And of course, that is not his only anti-air. He has his water palm thingy. Okay. Overall, Rain is a very solid character. Okay. The combination of Cabal and Liu Kang. Now, there are other playstyles that have more combos. I found out that the Hydro Boost, okay, is a very good and almost all pick, but there is a catch. The Hydro Boost is a very hard mechanic to learn. You know, you need, you know, years of training, like Sonic Fox, or Ninja, or the, or you know, just maybe toast and mustard. No, not toast and mustard. You know, like ketchup or mustard. Yeah, ketchup and mustard. Damn, what is wrong with me today? But anyway, the point is, okay, Rain is a very combo-heavy pressure monster. And that'll be it for this video. I will see you all again soon. Have a beautiful day.